SLACKROBATS. We got some sit-start training for you today. We're going to call this one sit-start walks. We're going to start on the line, progression 1. Progression 1 is 5 sit-starts on each side. Each side meaning you're going to start with the right leg in front, left leg closest to your body. Do 5 sit-starts there. 1. If you can, try to reverse it. This is going to help as we progress into levels 2 and 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that side. Now the other side. Left leg in front, right leg closer to the body. Here, knees drop wide. Chest rolls between knees. Press down on the line, let the body go up. Boom. Come down. Let the knees start to drop wide. Keep your body over the line. Let the butt reach for the line. Roll back slowly. Okay, that was 1. You want 5 on each side. 2. Woo. 3, fast forward, 5. That's progression 1. Let's move on to progression 2. Progression 2. Starting close to the anchor point in a seated position. Doesn't matter which side you start with. We're going to start with the right foot in front for this video. We're going to sit start. We're going to take 1, 2, 3 steps. And then we're going to go to seated position. We're going to sit start from here. Take 3 more steps. 1, 2, 3. Drop back down. Notice it's alternating sides. Moving across the line. Going back up from here. 1, 2, 3. Getting harder as you get closer to the anchor point. You just got to get close enough. You can touch the ground. Turn around. Make your way back if you want a little continuance of that progression. Moving on to progression 3 now. Progression 3, very similar progression 2, you just take out the steps, so you're doing more sit-start reps. You're going to start on whichever side. Sit-start, take a step, back down. Sit-start, take a step, back down. This is your sit-start walks, progression 3. Have fun, train hard. Send us your videos. You want a bonus? Woo, woo, woo. You want a bonus? We've always got bonus. Once you reach the anchor point or close to it, do the same things, just go backwards.